So I was mowing my lawn and my suicide knob fell off. And not this part, the knob part, obviously. And I couldn't find a YouTube video about how to fix it, so figured I'd record it. So you can kind of see, hang on the light, there's a nut in there. And I tried just sticking it on and screwing it in, but that doesn't work. So it looks like this little metal piece right here can be taken off. So let's do that. Well, I broke that, so like that. Okay. So now that we got this all apart here, it's pretty straightforward. Put the nut like that. Screw it tight. Once it's tight, let's see. That. Now it's back to functional, and we can just install it back on the tractor. So that's how you fix when this knob comes loose and out. So hope you enjoyed the video, and subscribe if you haven't already.